5 ways to make money on TikTok. Do you have a TikTok account? Is your account monetized yet? If it is, congratulations, I will say. But I can even reveal more monetization opportunities to you that will help you make even more money than you are making now. If you would love to know more about these money-making tactics and strategies and get 2 extra bonus tips, then make sure you watch this video till the end. On the other hand, if you have lots of followers and subscribers on TikTok, but you don't know how to monetize or make money from this account, then in this video, I will show you different ways you can make money from your TikTok account. But before we dive into this video, make sure you like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell. TikTok no doubt is the biggest and most popular platform and website in the world when we talk about uploading short videos. It has successfully turned a lot of people into celebrities and given them popularity, though a lot of people do not know how to turn their popularity into money yet. But before you are allowed to monetize your TikTok account, you must first satisfy and meet some conditions, like having up to 50,000 to 100,000 followers. There are a lot of ways to convert your loyal subscribers and fans into paying clients. They include: Number 5. Audio promotion services. This involves doing your research and contacting companies, brands, and individuals who are willing to pay you to use their audio and songs for your video. This audio becomes the background sound or music for TikTok video. This way you are helping them promote this sound and getting paid for it. But if this is going to be possible, then you must make sure that all your videos focus on a particular niche or area, such as football, basketball, health, etc. You can easily contact these organizations and brands by registering on Fiverr, posting in Facebook or Instagram music promotion groups, and when doing this, help these companies know that you have a large audience and can help them by using their sounds on your video. Tell them about the nature of your audience and attach your best performing video to serve as a sample. Number 4. Sponsorships. 90% of money made from TikTok comes from this method. You could have an endorsement deal to promote movies or film production companies like Universal and Marvel Films. If any company will be interested in signing a contract with you, then you must have a defined audience. This simply means, what do your audience like? Are they interested in topics like beauty tips, football, etc.? To get a contract, you could simply go on Google and search for brands that are related to your niche or topics that you make videos on, and then send them a message telling them about your TikTok account, your audience size, and what your account is about. And finally, tell them that you would love to promote their product or services on your account. You could start with smaller brands and companies first. Also, try to have a little space around your video that invites people to place adverts. Number 3. Service or talent demonstration. TikTok is an avenue to showcase your skills like singing, photography, graphic design. Engage with your audience and tell them about your specific skills and talent and how they can benefit from it. People, companies, and brands that admire your craft could easily reach out to you and hire you. You could use your talent to talk about companies' products like a review, and it could get their attention towards you. Number 2. Gate exclusive content. This simply means that you could do a video about something that a lot of your audience really want and add a little subscription fee before they can access it. It could be a tutorial video or podcast that people are really interested and will pay to have it. You can use sites like Patreon or buymeacoffee.com to host these tutorials by providing a link in the description part of the video or your bio. Number 1. Hosting live workshop. You can host a workshop to educate, teach, or entertain people about the contents that you offer. You could charge a few dollars for this and make a video announcing the date of the workshop ahead of time. But you must build trust with your audience and engage them regularly by using stories, live streams, etc. before hosting a workshop. These are 2 extra bonus tips for you. Number 1. Affiliate partnership. This is very common and popular. It involves promoting, referring, and selling products and goods to your audience using a special referral code or link. And whenever a product is sold, you get your own commission from those sales. In this case, you can try to drive a lot of traffic to your link. For this to be possible, you simply have to give yourself creative flexibility and not sell directly, but just do a review and then give recommendation concerning this product or goods in your video. Make sure that the product you are selling is related to what your account is about. For example, if your account is about automobiles, You can talk about a type of tire and leave a link to buy this product. You cannot be selling cosmetics when your account is about automobiles. Number 2, external monetization tools. You can use the TikTok Creator Marketplace when you have 100,000 followers. You can also make use of Cameo and other applications to give your audience and followers more access to you outside TikTok and fix a price attached to these platforms. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each time we post a new video. And leave a comment. Thanks for watching.